Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the very nice condominium called the Riviera Malibu Residence. Very exclusive condominium, and I'm here again with lovely Pinky.
Hello, welcome to the luxury segment. The location is on Pratumnak Soi 5, but we know that Pratamnak is exclusive location.
Exactly.
300 meters to the beach. Now the building almost sold out. The building already started, so it will complete in around 3 years.
Yes.
And there are 30 stories of the building, so many type of units. You will see the impressive showroom.
Yes,
So
how many units in total?
279 units.
And now 8 units left. So they sold out very quickly.
quick.
And I think you will see in a moment why. Let's
Follow
have a look
us.
at the showroom. Follow us. So this condo have a lot of facilities as well.
Yes, and this is the part of facility, I guess. In the building, they also have like restaurant, bar, which the owner have attention to have like a nice restaurant. As we know, they are so famous on the decoration and design. So they would like to have the restaurant and bar on this building. It's gonna be beautiful, I believe. Anything else in this building?
Yes, they also have like a golf simulator. So for everybody who loves to play golf, I think this also can be like a very nice choice to learn your swing, practice your swinging. They have actually also a home theater room. So you can book it for watching like your favorite movies. And they have like a full steam room, sauna, onsen, like a really Japanese onsen style. So this one is also very nice for relaxation. And which I never saw in any other condominium, they have a 2-lane bowling alley as well.
Oh, very interesting.
Yes, exactly. Coming back to the kind of 90s, 2000, you know, like a bowling is nice, you know, playing with some friends, having some drinks. I think nice in the condominium to have this. And they have 2 more infinity edge sky pools as well.
Yes, of course. So you can always go up there to take a panoramic view of Jamtien, Pratamnak, and then Pattaya sides as well.
And of course, they also have a fitness center. So if you're into fitness, they also have this as well, with also panoramic sea view. But I think this is all about the facilities, and I think now we have a look at the showroom, right?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So here we are in the corridor. So this is the actually representation of the actual corridor, right?
Right. So in the corridor, of course, you not only just have a walkway, but you will enjoy to walk along the corridor because of the decoration.
Yeah, nice wallpaper they have here, decoration also, ceiling decoration, a lot of paintings from like a famous Hollywood artists, you know, actors,
I
singers.
feel like, yeah, I feel like I'm in Hollywood.
Look, George Clooney. And here is the first showroom, 39 square meter. Let's have a look.
This type is 1 bedroom. I'm not surprised you will feel impressive, right? The decoration and everything. So we just come from starting part is the kitchen. Very important. This project, they use white color of the kitchen, glass cabinet. On top will come together with hot food, sink, washing machine, and then fridge over there.
And here we have the area for the dining table, enough for 4 persons. And we have here this beautiful crystal chandelier. All the furniture comes included in the price, right?
Right, only like no decoration, but you will get
all
big
the loose furniture
and built-in, exactly.
And then here we have like the living room, sofa, space for the TV cabinet. And even here, more space. It's nice to have here some more space and have like a floor to ceiling high windows.
Very nice. Now we move to bedroom. This one is a bedroom. Of course, you will have a door here. When you come in, you will have beautiful bedroom set up. The bed, mattress with the unit, and you always can take the view with the full glass door. If your unit sea view, so you will get the beautiful view over there. And this is the walkway to the bathroom. You have a wardrobe here, glass door, and this one is built-in shelf for your bags, and this is the door to the bathroom. You have the door entrance from the bedroom and from the living room. You have toilet, sink, the beautiful wall. This is the shower room, rose gold color, and also match with the shower. This is all about one bedroom, 35 square meter.
And now we are coming to the penthouse suite, or let's say the duplex, because the penthouse sky residence already sold out 276 square meter. But we still have
146 square meter, which is like a duplex style. So the decoration gonna be similar like this. Imagine if your house is here. Oh my God, look at that.
very nice, like an entrance area, welcome area. We have the dining table, 6 chairs. The duplex, they have around 2 bedrooms, right?
They have a few types of duplex, so 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, you can choose. And all the duplex, of course, big space, big living room.
Here is the very large living room. This show unit is actually 276 square meter. As we say, like 146 square meters still available, so also quite big, like a duplex.
Yes, because this one actually 4 bedroom, so you waste also the space for the bedroom. Probably 146, you will get like a smaller size of living room, but still big.
Here on this one, you have like a huge living room. You have also here this like an outdoor terrace / balcony. And this one is really nice to have some like sofa bed here as well.
For your drunk guests, maybe.
Oh yeah, yes, exactly. And then you have here some more space for like outdoor drinking session, coffee, red wine, white wine. Even here, this unit have like a own swimming pool.
But actually, all the duplex, they have the pool. Of course, it's like smaller.
Bit
If
smaller
it's smaller
swimming
size
pool.
of duplex, then smaller pool.
Or you get like a jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi pool, yeah.
Yes, the duplex, they will have basically one of their bedroom will be to this side. You will have here walk-in area. You have here like a very nice vanity table. Looks like vintage luggage.
Wow.
Nice design with the mirror here, of course. We have here king size bed, soft touch headboard with LED lights inside.
And this is TV, you can stick on the wall. This one is wardrobe. You have beautiful wardrobe, 6-door vanity table here, and the bathroom. The color of the bathroom, I love it. They use like brown marble with a little bit touch of the decoration, and then you have like beautiful round glass mirror. And this one is sink, his and her, toilet, and shower room.
On this side, you still have guest bathroom, and here we have the large kitchen. This kitchen, I really love it.
Yeah, me too. And on top, they use onyx stone.
With
Which
the
is
LED
like-
inside.
Yes, which you can have like light inside. So imagine at night time, and then you turn this one on. And you have a glass on the balcony. I think whole Pattaya will look at your penthouse, at your condo.
But I like that they have this like a 2 levels. So basically here for like a preparing the drinks and here for serving the drinks.
Red wine, please.
Actually, I saw they have here on the side, they have some more like a storage.
Yeah, that's
So basically
beautiful.
this one is the space for the wine cellar. Should be.
Ah, yes, actually, yeah.
Here we have space for a large refrigerator. Of course, like a built-in microwave, built-in oven, large sink. We also have dishwasher included. So everything comes included, and also here with LED under it. So even at nighttime, you can find everything well, and it looks very nice at nighttime, of course. And this one is probably one of the most amazing pool tables I've seen.
This one is not included.
I'm not sure if you can play well on this table. It looks good.
I guess when you're drunk, it's fun.
Yeah, probably. But you can replace this one with like a regular size pool table because still enough space around here.
Exactly. Now maybe we go for the next one, next bedroom. So actually 4 bedroom and plus bedroom. After all the bedroom, I bring you to see bedroom. You want to be made here.
Okay. Nice. Also wardrobe space, always like a tinted glass.
So bedroom look comfortable, the bed and then the headboard,
Yes.
side. And you have sofa zone in this bedroom. I love it. You should have some time to relax, right? You're interested in the table.
Yeah, actually I'm interested in the vanity table. Now I also start liking vanity tables. If they look like this design.
Not
Oh,
for
it's a
working.
working
I
desk.
think
It's
this
a
is
working
for
desk.
working.
Okay. Ah, you can put maybe your documents here, right? Oh, yeah. Oh.
This sofa, beautiful. You have a bathroom over there.
Here with like white marble. And then we have also rose gold rain shower system as well.
Now we have 2 more bedrooms to go. One of them here.
Also decent size of a bedroom, right?
Ah, this is lovely designed. Sexy shower. You have a glass to the shower room. Bed, mattress, TV cabinet, TVs, and wardrobe here.
Even here, the bathroom also similar design. I like that they have this like a rounded edges and this kind of like a finishing. And then we also have again the rose gold rain shower.
So are you ready to see maid room?
Okay, let's have a look at the maid room.
This one, of course, washing machine, dry machine. This zone for your maid. So you have a condo worth of 40 million, so you should have place for your maid, right? And this is maid room.
Oh yes, it's very nice. Actually, this one could also be like a kid room, right? I mean,
Exactly.
Like,
I mean, of
very
course,
nice.
if you don't have a maid stay in with you, you can use for
Look at this, they even have like this soft touch, like a headboard all around. It's pretty nice
Yeah.
for like a maid. And they even
And the
have...
bathroom. This one is looking nice. Sink and shower. Wow.
This is if you really love your maid. Okay,
But I'm sorry to say that this type sold out.
but we have like
But we
a
have
very
another.
similar ones.
Yes. All Thai here is nice. And of course, all the design.
Here we have some more zone for working. There's some more bookshelves.
Yes.
And here is the 4th bedroom, right? This is actually master.
So the size is biggest. You have bedroom zone here. You have balcony relax zone. The bathroom on the back side. This is bathroom. Because I love bathtub. Then bathtub with the jacuzzi function. You have separate shower room, toilet, sink like his and her. Beautiful design.
Right, so this is it about the Riviera Malibu residence. We have 35 square meter, 1 bedroom, all the way up to 53 square meter. Like still have 4 units left of a one bedroom.
Last 4 unit left.
And the starting price is
4.8 million baht.
yes, it's under Thai quota because foreign quota is almost sold out.
Yes.
But if you want to buy under like a Thai company ownership, maybe this could be an opportunity for you. There are still duplex units left. So the duplex unit 146 square meter is 25 million in foreigner ownership.
So yes, as we say, Riviera brand is one of the best brand of condo in Pattaya. If you don't want to miss this opportunity, and now it's under construction,
Yes,
please quick watching our video and come to Pattaya.
exactly. And see the quality and the layout and the design by yourself. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to our channel and we will put the Riviera Malibu listing in the video description below as well. And as always, see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.